So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the show. Um, so today I'm going to teach you how to use OBS to capture your PowToon presentation. The first thing you want to do is when you open OBS, you'll see a scene and you'll see absolutely nothing in here. In this particular section, you can see my pink cursor floating around. So what you want to do is click plus and then click display capture. After you got that, give it a name, make the source visible, don't change anything, click OK, and then you'll start capturing your screen. So I have an external monitor set up here, but what you want to do is actually change the capture method until, in the latest update of OBS, don't touch the capture method. As long as you see something, there's no need to change it. So now I have two screens running. You can see display 1, display 2. Now I want to capture display 2. Change the display until you can see the display that you want to capture, and preferably untick capture cursor so that you don't see the cursor. However, for the purposes of this presentation, I will turn on capture cursor so you can see what I'm talking about. Click OK and you'll see this. You'll see a infinity screen of OBS's, windows. Yeah. So the next thing you want to do is go to your PowToon presentation and add a good number of seconds. You can do this by putting, this is the first slide of my PowToon presentation. So you want to go to the first slide and you want to add a number of seconds, a lot of seconds, as many seconds as you like. Because the reason why, I will show you in a moment. You do that by clicking this button, add 1 second, add 1 second, add 1 second. And make sure that you add them at the really start here so that they don't affect your presentation later on. Then what you want to do is go back to OBS, click start recording. I've already started my recording, but you want to click start recording here and this little red thing will come up showing that you have started your recording, and you have to go over to PowToon and you want to click this. This is the preview. So you want to go full screen, and don't touch anything. You see the thing at the bottom disappears, and yes, your PowToon runs as usual. Now the reason why I asked you to disable capture cursor is because you can still see roughly in the right-hand bottom corner of the screen, you can actually see that there's a little red pink cursor. So you don't want that when you're recording a PowToon presentation. That's why I asked you to disable capture cursor. And make sure that you don't move your mouse, because if you move your mouse, you get this bar at the bottom showing up. You don't want the bar to show up. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that you wait and don't touch anything until the rickroll has completed or until the slides have finished presenting themselves. So yes, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching my short tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. And also, remember, before you upload the clip on YouTube, remember to chop off the front and the back of the clip. This is because otherwise people on YouTube will see your OBS popping up and popping down, and they'll see you click stop recording. You can do this using Video Editor. It's present in every Windows 10 device. Here it is. How to use it, I'm not going to cover today. I'm going to assume that you know how to use it because this is a whole different ballgame. But that's all you need to know, ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye.